Hello and welcome to Car Fix Automotive. Today's video we are going to discuss about top 5 reasons why your check engine might be on. The check engine light has become illuminated in your dash. This is a sure sign of problems under the hood of your car, and it's hard to know exactly how serious those problems are. It could be a quick fix, or it could be a problem that leaves you stranded and costs you thousands of dollars unless it's addressed quickly. Either way, it's important to get to the bottom of the issue as soon as possible. Here are 5 of the most common reasons your check engine light might be on. Number 1. Gas cap. A loose gas cap is one of your car's most easily fixable problems. However, the gas fuel cap keeps the fuel locked inside your tank until it's ready for use. If the fuel cap is loose, it's easy for fuel to escape, resulting in wasted gas. If the check engine light turns on immediately after you've fueled up at the gas station, it's most likely that you simply forgot to put the cap back on or didn't tighten it enough. However, if your fuel cap is secure, it can indicate a problem with the fuel system, like a leaky connector. Number 2. Oxygen sensor. Your car's engine is powered by an air-fuel mixture, which is combined using the help of multiple engine components. If these components fail, it can cause your engine to receive too much or too little oxygen, which can cause engine damage in the long term. The most common problem is with the oxygen sensor. This sensor assesses how much oxygen remains in your engine after igniting the air-fuel mixture. If these sensors detect a problem with your engine's oxygen use or burnout over time, it will activate the check engine light. Number 3. Spark plugs. The ignition system in your vehicle provides the heat necessary to ignite the fuel in the combustion chamber. In gasoline engines, this heat source is the spark plug. The spark plugs or the associated spark plug wires often deteriorate with age and mistimed, or faulty ignition causes various problems starting up the engine. Diesel engines use glow plugs rather than spark plugs, so they don't have the same problem. Spark plug problems are more frequent in older engines since they've been subject to more wear and tear. Regardless of the age of your vehicle. Number 4. Catalytic converter. Due to the expensive cost of replacing a catalytic converter, no car owner wants to receive news that the check engine light is the result of a failing one. However, it is an important repair to make, as a malfunctioning converter can negatively affect vehicle performance and fuel economy, as well as potentially harm the engine and fuel system in the long run. Number 5. Mass airflow. The mass airflow sensor, MAF, is a crucial component of a vehicle's engine management system that measures the amount of air entering the engine. This information is used by the Engine Control Module, ECM, to determine the correct air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion and engine performance. These issues can happen when the MAF sensor is damaged or when its wires are coated with dirt. It can't measure airflow accurately, therefore sending incorrect information to the PCM. When it overestimates the airflow, the PCM releases too much fuel. Most of the time, you or a mechanic can fix the problem by cleaning the MAF sensor's wires. If you're noticing a check engine light. In addition, another problem is exhaust gas recirculation valve issue. The EGR valve, exhaust gas recirculation, is responsible for recirculating a specific amount of the exhaust gases back into the engine cylinders. This process helps to reduce emissions and improve fuel economy. However, if the EGR valve becomes stuck open, it can cause an overheating problem. Additionally, if the valve becomes clogged with carbon deposits, it can restrict the flow of exhaust gases, resulting in increased emissions. Therefore, it's important to have the EGR valve inspected and serviced on a regular basis to prevent problems. Misfiring engine. One of the most common reasons why a car might have an engine misfire is because of a problem with the spark plugs. Over time, spark plugs can become fouled with oil, dirt, and other deposits, which can prevent them from firing properly. In some cases, the only way to fix the problem is to replace the spark plugs. Another common cause of engine misfire is a problem with the ignition coils. Ignition coils are responsible for supplying the spark plugs with electricity, and if they fail, the spark plugs will not be able to fire. Once again, in many cases, the solution is to replace the ignition coils or spark plugs. Fuel system. The fuel system includes the gas tank, fuel pump, and fuel injectors. Any issues with these components can cause the check engine light to come on.